Hello friends, I'm your Vitamin B to Vegemin girl. Are you tired, listless? Are you unpopular? Do you poop out at parties? Well, the answer to your problem is in this cilantro jalapeno dip. I'm going to be making this one today. This is a great recipe if you want to have parties on the weekends. Cameraman, go down here. Thank you. Works great with a lot of other things, even like a sangria drink with other appetizers. So this recipe consists of 6 to 8 jalapenos, roughly chopped. I've taken a lot of the seeds out and part of the ribs, so it has some heat, but not too much heat. I've got 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayo, and the big kicker here, 1 packet of ranch dressing. This is really a great recipe. So I'm not going to be stopping and starting in this video. So here we go. I'm going to put into my Cuisinart the jalapenos. I'm going to roughly chop the cilantro, and you can even put the stems in. Believe it or not, there's a lot of flavor in the stems, and they'll chop up nicely here. I'm putting the whole thing in. Now, what I'm going to do is just pulse this a few times, just to get it down a bit. And I'm going to put in my sour cream, the mayo rather, this is the mayo, the sour cream. Now this is going to make a lot of dip, believe it or not, but the reason why I made a full dip is because Donnie likes to eat a lot, so I want to make sure he's happy. 1 packet of the ranch dressing, and believe it or not, that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on low, going to let it hit a bit. It doesn't take that long, just a few minutes. Move to high. Okay, we'll start to mix well. So what I'm going to do now is just go in and scrape the sides of anything that may not have got incorporated in there. Just want to make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay, we'll put it back above. And that's it. Easy peasy, as they say. So, take it out. I'm going to take out the blade and scoop it right in. Okay. Well, take a look in that bowl, Donnie. There that is. It's really a great dip. And again, if you don't like things too spicy, take out as much of the seeds and the ribs because that's where the heat lives in the jalapeno. Okay. Now, over here. These are great with just plain tortilla chips. It works well with the Fritos as well. Okay. See if it's too hot or not too hot. Perfect for me. I like a little heat in it. Hope you liked this last video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.